It's a brand new website that we never discussed earlier on this channel. However, it pays pretty well and it's absolutely free. Now don't worry, you will certainly not need to offer anything on those freelancing websites or film any videos whatsoever. It's a lot easier and also it can be performed in less than 25 minutes just by copying and also pasting. Follow all the steps from this video if you wish to make this work, and also you should be patient. Watch every second of this video and stay tuned till the end to maximize your results. After that, you will require to take action because this isn't just most likely to fall from the sky. You will need to put in some work. But before we start, welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can see that this website will pay you $100 per person you refer to it. So you simply need to refer 5 people to make $500, and also I will reveal to you how you can do this in less than 25 minutes. I am going to clarify to you exactly just how you can advertise it to make $500 again and again free of cost. As well as this has nothing to do with social media sites. You don't need any social media followers for this. Once more, you will certainly not need to sell anything on those freelancing websites. So let us begin with step number 1. You will need to come over to eClincher.com. This is over at eClincher.com. eClincher is a top-ranked social media management platform. This is where people, business owners and entrepreneurs come together in social media accounts managed for them. Let me give you an example. Let's state you are running a massive business like a restaurant and you are about 40 to 50 years old. You are busy managing your business, managing your restaurant, and busy working around your business every day. However, you know the power of social media and you recognize the number of new customers you can draw in via social media. Also, nowadays every business needs an online business profile. Also, business owners understand that, but they don't have the time to run their social media accounts themselves. That's why they turn to websites like eClincher. After that, pay eClincher and various platforms or similar platforms to handle their social media accounts and grow those accounts. That's why it works so well. A lot of business owners and entrepreneurs utilize these devices to outsource the work. If you use eClincher.com, not just you will get each one of your accounts managed for you, but also you will be ensured an increase in your social networks and grow your reach throughout different channels. That's actually excellent. So business owners will certainly not just get their accounts managed, but they will even experience development on a regular once a week or monthly basis. So for step number 1, I very much recommend you go over to eClincher.com. Go through this initial web page or read more regarding eClincher to find out more concerning how it works. It will certainly have the ability to see that they have been featured in Forbes, ABC, the Huffington Post, the Fox News, and many others. So experience the website to find out more about them. And that's it for step number 1. Step number 2. Once you have read about eClincher, I want you to scroll down to the bottom of the website, and right here where it says eClincher, I want you to click on Partner Affiliates. And you will become a partner of eClincher. To make hundreds of dollars, you will see exactly how it works. Grow with eClincher. Start promoting eClincher and get customers who are interested in getting their social media accounts managed. You will get $100 per customer you refer, $500 for 5 people. I am going to show you how you can get it all done in less than 25 minutes. Once again, as you can see, it says get rewarded and the text says to turn your online presence into profit with up to $100 per paid eClincher subscriptions. When a client uses your link to subscribe, you will get your special affiliate link. you will need to promote in a way that I am about to share with you. And whenever someone uses it to sign up to eClincher, you will make $100. Once again, with 5 people, you have $500. The best thing is that you can do this for unlimited time. You can do it again and again and have an income you can depend on every month. For step number 2, you will require to apply to this affiliate program by coming by this affiliate page. Also right here where it say use, click that button now. You will certainly require to enter your valid email address in this box and enter your full name in the second box. If you have a website, you can leave a link to it right here. If you don't have a website, you can use your YouTube channel URL. Even if you have no videos on it or you have no subscribers whatsoever. Use that link and paste it right here where it says the website, which will work. For the company name, you can likewise leave that blank if you don't own a company. Select your country and you can see that there are pretty much accept people from throughout the world. All of these countries are available. So if your country is on the list, this will certainly work for you. As you can see, all of the countries are available on the box below. You will enter your contact number and in this box create a password. Leave several of your social media web links. Accept their terms of service and privacy policy by clicking this link right here. You don't need to sign up as their email subscriber and I don't prefer to do that. So you always leave this blank. You don't need to fill in this box and afterward just hit sign up. You will wait for several hours to get approved. So you know you can do anything while waiting for the email from eClincher as well. As soon as you see that you have got accepted into their affiliate program, you will certainly be able to grab that unique affiliate link and start promoting this website. Once more, everyone who signs up through your affiliate link, you will make $100. You don't need to create anything. You don't need to sell anything. And also, you don't need to provide any service. Just share your web link and you accumulate your profits. As simple as that. Now for the last step, once you have been accepted into their partner program and when you can grab your affiliate link, which is perhaps going to be in many hours, you require to bring driving traffic. Also, the best free traffic resource which you can utilize is freelancing websites. Once more, don't panic. You don't need to sell any freelancing services. You will certainly not have to offer any services. And you don't even need to list anything to buy on these freelancing websites. You will certainly see exactly how you will utilize it to bring in clients for eClincher and make $500 repeatedly. You can make use of freelancing websites like peopleperhour.com, fiverr.com, freelancer.com, truelancer.com, upwork.com, guru.com, quickingings.com, and also the list goes on. There are a lot of various freelancing websites out there which you can take advantage of. As well as the even more of them you use, the more money you will make. I am going to make use of peopleperhour.com as an example. But once again, you can utilize any freelancing platform you favor. You will come over to this freelancing website and you will certainly go to the search bar. And I desire you to look for the service called social media management. So type it in the box and that's going to give you every person that's offering the service. As you can see on peopleperhour.com, there are over 1200 various outcomes and over 1200 people generating income by offering social media management. You can see that they are making a great deal of cash. So they are making a lot of money by providing the service. Now you can help them because they are perhaps investing hours and hours working for all of those clients. They possibly work 10 hours a day and now you can help them by offering eClincher, which is generally most likely to do each one of the help for less than $100 each month. For them, it's like up to $100 a month, which can get every one of the works done for them. So not only they will have a lot of even more time, but they will certainly have the ability to support more clients and they will be able to provide many extra services and ultimately make a lot of more cash. So you are helping them expand their business by working much less. That's why these people will certainly be thankful when you provide them eClincher through your affiliate link. You can also see that this person is generating income by providing social media management service and making a great deal of money with over 1200 feedback at a rate of $15. You can also see that all of these people are making a lot of money by offering social media management services, and you can contact them. You can also tell them that you have the platform which will help them because they possibly don't learn about eClincher. They don't understand how they can use it to get all of the work done for them. So they don't have to do it manually. Yet you must be careful. You don't just want to enter the contact page and type in the message, "Hey, below is my affiliate link, sign up if you wish to." In that way, you will right away get banned from all of these freelancing websites. It doesn't work like that. But rather than doing that, you wish to take them to peoplepower.com or any other freelancing platform you are utilizing. You wish to tell them, as an example, "I have a website that is generally most likely to do each of the assist you to make a lot even more cash with their services. If you intend to learn more regarding it, you can email me below. You can DM me on Instagram. When they contact you, you can give them your affiliate link." Yet, admins of Fiverr.com or Freelancer.com will undoubtedly notice that you are just providing your affiliate web link, and that's undoubtedly against their policy, as well as they will remove or ban you from all the websites. So don't make that mistake, because if you do it like that, this will certainly not work and you will not make any money, and you will indeed get banned from those freelancing websites. So you require to avoid making mistakes. And once again, all you need to do is to grab your affiliate link from eClincher.com. Come to some freelancing website, search for social media management. Locate all these people providing the social media management service. Also provide them eClincher through your affiliate link. They will be grateful because you are helping them and you are offering them a platform that is most likely to do each of the help them, and it will certainly allow them to make a great deal, even more cash. It's confirmed that they have a high budget, and also it's confirmed that they have the cash to invest right into eClincher, and that's why this is a lot much easier to sell than any other item. That's why this is 100% beginner friendly, and also it can be carried out in less than 25 minutes. You can get in touch with 50 people in less than 20 minutes. Create one high converting message, copy and paste it to 50 people in less than 20 minutes. As well as you require 5 of them to purchase to make $500. Once again, you can do it repeatedly for an unlimited time, even if you sell only one per day. It's still $100 a day for less than 20 minutes of work from your computer system, tablet, laptop, or perhaps your smartphone device. So make sure to take advantage of this website. Once again, it's called eClincher.com, and also their affiliate program will pay you $100 for each customer you refer. I hope you get some value out of this video, and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. Hit the bell button and I will see you in the following videos.